Hello, today we are learning to calculate compound interest. So when you open a bank account, your deposit is called the principal. Your principal is going to stay in the bank. Your account is going to earn interest, and that's going to increase your account balance. So your account balance is going to be the principal plus the interest. Today we're looking at compound interest, which you earn by initially investing some money, which is the principal, and then a percentage, or the interest rate, is calculated on the initial principal and on the accumulated interest of previous periods of deposit. So if we are to invest and we're going to find the account balance using compounded interest, let's say we have $6,000, an interest rate of 5%, and we're going to invest for 6 years. You would start by writing the compound interest formula, plug the numbers into the formula, and use your calculator to solve. So here we have that our account balance is $8,040.57. Now suppose it asks you to find the interest that was earned, same numbers, same formula, but do we answer the question, what is the interest? No, we do not. You have to subtract the principal in order to find out what the interest would be. So think about it. When you use the compound interest formula, it says A equals, so what do you find? You're finding the account balance. If the question asks you to find the amount of interest, are you done? No, you have to subtract the principal because the account balance is the principal and the interest combined. So if you were asked to find the interest, if you're using the simple interest formula, you're done because it says I equals PRT. I is the interest. If you're asked to find the compound interest, you're not done because you need to take away the principal in order to be left with just the interest. Conversely, if you're asked to find the account balance, if you're using the compound interest formula, you're done because A stands for account balance. However, if you're using the simple interest formula, you're not done. You have to add in the principal in order to get the account balance.